I'm Kelsey with Community Natural Foods, and today we are making an almond milk using a Vitamix. It is super easy, it is super nutritious, and let's get started. I like to make my own almond milk because it is the most fresh and you get the most nutrients from it. If you buy at the store, that's totally fine too, but it's gonna have some fillers in there. This is literally just filtered water and almonds, so it's perfect. And you can customize it to the flavors that you want. So for me, I like to make it really almond flavor. So I will do a cup of almonds, and as you can see, I have my lovely almonds in my own container that I got at our bulk section of the store. So you're gonna put a cup of almonds in your Vitamix. And I like to do 1 cup of almonds to 2 cups of water. So we've got our 2 cups of filtered water here. And that's it. So we will put the lid on, make sure it's on tight, otherwise you're gonna make a mess. Okay. And we're gonna flip it on. Okay, so we have our almond milk. And you can do different things with this. If you wanted to make it sweeter, you can add a little bit of dates in there or maple syrup. I'm just gonna add a splash of vanilla in here just to make it a little bit more flavored. So I'm just gonna add just a smidge. And just whip this up one more time. So I like to use a nut milk bag. As you can see, I made a turmeric juice with this, which is why it's yellow. If you don't have one of these, you can also use a cheesecloth. You can use a sieve and put just a couple of paper towels in there so that none of the almond bits come through. But you just want to strain your almond milk. Bag. And then get all the bits out. And then of course, once you get all of the liquid out, these bits that are in here of almond will become your almond pulp that you can then make crackers with by dehydrating them. You can save them in the fridge and add them to smoothies for an extra fiber. There's so much you can do with the pulp. Okay, I think that's enough. So then you have your pulp in there, and we are going to use that later. But now you've got your beautiful almond milk. So you can keep this in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. You can use it to make your turmeric milk lattes. You can add it to smoothies. You can add it as your milk for your cereal, but there it is. Almondy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below.